welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Videoleap, the official release on Android. So for that, we have to go on our Play Store and then we have to search for Videoleap. And here, the third option for me is the Videoleap by Lightrix, so click on that. As you can see, it says official Android release. If we go up the about this app section and scroll down, it says that it was released on 27 July 2021 and updated on 28 July. So let's go back and install our Videolib app. It has only 34.56 megabytes, so it's really small. Then let's open our app. And then here let's scroll this and let's dive right in. You can pay for Videolib Pro, but if you don't, you just have to click on this X, which is in the right corner from the top of the page. And then you can start creating. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.